to them. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abundance and I am a Nigerian living in Japan. I realized I've actually not introduced myself officially, so this is my official introduction. Sorry, my voice may be cracked and cranky and not pleasing to the ears. It's because I'm having a little cold, but before you know, I'll be fine. In today's video, I'll be doing the avocado max protein treatment. Every now and then we need protein in our hair. It helps to boost our hair growth. It helps to promote stronger, healthy hair. So once, maybe in a month, twice in a month, it's okay to do it. Guys, you can do it. Could be avocado and eggs, avocado and banana. Protein, you know what protein is, so any one of them is okay. But today I'll be doing the avocado, just avocado protein treatment on my hair. I'm going for that. I want to let you know that if your hair is not growing, it's okay, guys. It's okay if your hair is not growing. If you feel like your hair is stagnant, it's not moving, guys, let me tell you something. Natural hair takes time, takes commitment, it takes effort, it takes consistency. And since our hair is prone to breakage, all we need to do is find solutions to stop it from breaking and retaining length. So guys, that's what I'm here for you. I'm here to give you solutions to your problems as regards to your hair growth, your remedies. We need to break through that plateau. We need to break through that plateau, like for real, guys. And I'm not there yet. I'm still striving. That's why I'm here to join you, and we go it and we do it together as a family, right? Yeah. So my hair is actually thriving. I love my hair. Any day, anytime, I can literally just get up, wet my hair, and go out. And everyone will be like, "Oh, your hair is nice. Your hair is beautiful. Oh, can I touch?" Especially now where I am in Japan. Basically, they don't really see this often. So when they see, they'll be like, "Oh my, your hair is nice, nice hair." Like my children's teacher, every morning, they'll be like, "Oh, your hair is nice, fine." They'll be like, "How did you do it?" Stuff like that. So your hair is beautiful, guys. Doesn't matter the length. Doesn't matter the texture, guys. Your hair is beautiful. And I would love to say that in this channel we promote healthy hair over quantity. Yes. So as long as your hair is healthy, it's going to grow. It may take time, slow and steady, but we will get there. Okay, we will get there. Healthy hair over quantity. So believe in quality over quantity. When your hair is beautiful, it's healthy, your scalp is great, your hair will flourish. It's real. It's real. And also I'm letting you know that sometimes it's not just about what you do. Sometimes it could be your diet, it could be what you're eating, it could be your ways of life that is stopping your hair from growing. And also it could just be like your gene. You're not meant to have hair, but then that's why there are some products and things to do so that we can break through and boost your hair growth. And that's why I'm here for you guys. So guys, please join me in this journey. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, share and comment. Let me know what you're thinking, guys. Let me know what you're thinking. Drop your comment. I love to see comments, guys. Please kindly drop your comments, and please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for my returning subscribers. I love you. God bless you. I appreciate you guys. Let's get right into the video. First of all, we need water for hydration. So I can't start anything without taking water. It's very, very important. Satisfying. So to make this max, we're going to need about 2 big size avocados and some oils. I'm using my almond oil. You can use olive oil, any oil of your choice, it's okay. And you can use more avocado depending on the quantity of your hair. Yeah, and make sure your avocados are actually washed, guys. It's important to wash. We need them clean. After that, you blend. If you don't have a blender, you can match it, but it's important to blend so that it's smooth like this. As you can see, this is the end result, smooth, so that you don't have residues on your hair. Then after that, you pour about, I think I used about 30 ml of oil, my almond oil, and I try to mix them together. And we'll go over to the application process. Guys, make sure you use this mask on the freshly washed hair. Mine is washed already. I watched it about 3 days ago from this make of this video. So, and you can apply section by section. Please take your time, guys. Take your time. I couldn't film everything because it took time to apply this. Guys, my hair is actually very thick and dense, so it takes time for me to like do stuff on my hair, so I couldn't film everything, guys. So as you can see, I'm applying, making sure I apply. I actually losing this twist after, but I twisted that aside to give way, but you don't need to twist yours. It's okay to let it sit after you apply this marks, guys. I'm so sorry about the benefit of the marks, but I don't think I can say it, so I'd rather you read it on the screen. If you got into this point of this video, please, I'll let you know that you should kindly subscribe to this channel. This channel is actually new, and don't mind my voice, guys. I'm having cough and cold, so please bear with me. Hi guys, so guys, I'm done with the application process, and guys, as you can see how my hair is so thick and full. It's thick, it's full, and it's actually heavier than the marks, the clay marks I did in my previous video. Anyways, I'm going to put it in a shower cap and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then I wash it off and I get back to you guys. And here's the end result, guys. My hair shrinks a lot. It's okay, but it's looking all dark and lovely and soft. Anyways, guys, please put your hand protective style afterwards and use leave-in conditioners and oil. Is very important, guys. Look at me now. I play a lot. I know I play a lot. Anyways, guys, please like this video, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.